सऊदी वज़ीर सरमायाकार इब्राहिम बिन यूसुफ अल मालिक ने कहा है कि सऊदी अरब में बड़ी तादाद में पाकिस्तानी मुआशी तरक्की में अपना किरदार अदा कर रहे हैं। सऊदी अरब पाकिस्तान को मुआशी तौर पर मुस्तकम देखना चाहता है। पाकिस्तान को सरमायाकारी के लिए मौजू मुल्क तस्वुर करते हैं।
is considered a high priority economic investment and business opportunity. We believe in the great potential of Pakistan's economy, demographic and talent, as well as location and natural resources. That is why we are so grateful for the kind invitation from the government of Pakistan, as well as the many important and influential leaders from globally renowned Saudi companies and the Saudi investor landscape who have joined us in this visit. Those Saudi companies would desire to continue building their international presence, for Saudi Arabia's ambitions do not stop at our borders, and we would like to see Pakistan as one of our leading international partners.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।